Hey Dime, do you follow the Overwatch League?
Go fuck yourself.
What an asshole, dude!
What did
He
I do?
was just here. What the fuck? I said, do you follow the Overwatch League?
No, I said no, I don't.
Oh, no, I didn't hear
He
you.
waited for you to say something so he could just ignore you. But what did I tell you guys? If we don't hit 100 members on the Facebook group by Friday, I'm deleting it.
How many members do you have?
73. We've been stalemated for like 2 days. You guys need to get on that.
Yeah, I'll share with my friends, but I won't join it.
Gotcha.
What do you mean?
Just a little sketch, huh?
I can't dox myself. Hey Dime, join the Facebook group and then let's be friends on Facebook.
No, I don't have a Facebook. I haven't had Facebook in like 5 years.
You have Instagram? And be friends on Instagram? I'll share stories with you.
I have an Instagram that I use only to look at titties. Sorry, ladies.
Screaming, man. Calm down. Does
Sorry.
that? Hey, John, what's going on? Man, I'm always burned out by this time of the day. Now that I do my morning streams, I need a second cup of coffee.
More coffee.
More coffee. That's the answer to everything.
Coffee.
I just use the Facebook Messenger GIF. I don't really even go on Facebook.
I just got filled on that NVIDIA play.
Oh shit! Did you post it?
Yeah, I did.
Let me take a look. It's always like doing calculus looking
It's
at these
pretty
things.
sketch because the spreads are pretty big, so we could be down a good amount pretty quickly. We'll find it. I'm also going out of my comfort zone on this one. We're going farther out than I normally take. About double what I normally take. Chart just looks too good not to take it. Let me add it to my spreadsheet real quick. What's today? The 22nd? My POP on that? 5%. Alright, we added it to the spreadsheet. Yeah, John, I took some few positions today, sold some premium on a few things. Pretty much all I'm doing is selling premium right now. We're up 24% on one of them, and we're up 12% on another, so doing pretty good. I closed my SPY butterfly for 150% gain today as well. We closed, I think that was yesterday, we closed AMD for a loss. And we're still holding Walmart and Starbucks for small losses on this small account. Everything else is green. Green, green, green. Gotta keep an eye on Neo here. Looks like it wants to break into a bear flag downward.
Like it wants to go up. But the daily looks so ridiculous.
On what?
Bitcoin.
Neo, I closed my sell side for a 65% profit, somewhere around there. I'm still holding my buy side. I might actually re-add my sell side pretty soon here. Thinking about adding it tomorrow. Starting to break downward on this little trend. A little sketchy. Little sketchy, little sketchy. I do want to be theta positive on this position. The 4.7 theta compared to 4.4. The theta on this trade that we just took. Almost 2 contract, that's not bad.
Damn, Gap? Gap gapped up. Gap is doing big things.
What I'm mainly watching right now is the 4-hour falling wedge on ES and on Qs. ES has a bull div. I don't know, does NASDAQ? Yeah, NASDAQ has a bull div too. NASDAQ has not broken out of its wedge though. ES has. Sadly, ES is hitting the trail on the OTS though and giving a sell signal, so it's a little sketchy. Some good news came out on PLTR. Let me see, PLTR.
Really?
That's what John said in chat.
Oh, nice.
I have some 2022 calls on that.
It's really good. What came out?
Yeah, what was the news?
Do you have shares, Kip, or are you in? Oh, okay.
What does this company do?
You know, I looked
Fuck,
at their
I just looked it
website.
up.
I'm not really sure.
Okay.
They have like government contracts and shit, and like they work with a lot of banks and like financials.
The news.
They had some controversy. I saw it on Wikipedia. I have a lead call for what is the strike that I have? I have a $10 strike for next year. I'll exercise the shit out of this contract if need be. Oh, nice, yeah. After going through all that selling, people are buying. Man, it's really cheap. Maybe I should just buy 100 shares.
The options are pretty cheap too, to be honest.
Buy more. Okay, man, you convinced me. I'm buying 1,000 shares. What can go wrong?
If you wanted like a super cheap diagonal play, you could just make diagonals on it and sell like really small premium. Make like fucking $15 a contract.
Look at the premium, anything above $10.
That's what I mean. The diagonals are tough because
Oh,
you
man.
can't
The news on
really
Palantir?
do it. I don't know. They didn't say what the news was. He said something about COVID.
Twitter.
Okay, dude, I'm an investor now. I have some shares. I'm down 50 cents.
I bought 3 of the January 10 calls for 2022,
Yeah,
and if it actually runs, I'll exercise them.
PLTR?
Yeah.
it's so cheap. There's basically no reason to do anything but buy naked calls.
I think we have the same ones.
You could buy like the $9 for November 20th, buy like in the money.
TD Ameritrade just got back to me and pretty much said, "Yep, you're in debt until the money clears." I'm like, "Well, that's great. I can't buy any options or trade or whatever."
Sucks. Hey, but good news. Look at DraftKings, man. It's a
Uh,
moving up.
You could buy the
you
$11 for February 2021 on PLTR. They're pretty cheap. Or yeah, PLTR.
Did you see the anchored VWAP I posted for DraftKings?
No.
Here, hang on. This is too good to not share. So this is the 21 EMA weekly and the anchored VWAP from the last weekly candle low.
You sure Johnny didn't post this first?
I am 90% sure that I just posted this.
That's honestly a good play, I think.
Huh.
The $11 for February 2021 on PLTR.
And I'm,
Get the
dude, it's moving.
2022s just in case.
Let's go, baby.
They're only $1.
DraftKings, please.
You have a 45 delta too.
When it's this low, when the price of any stock is this low, it's better to just get the ones with the lowest strike price. They appreciate so much faster.
And then exercise it, right?
And if you want to exercise it, you get that saves you like thousands of dollars per contract that you exercise.
No, I hear you. You could do like the 9s or the 10s. I'm done looking at it because I'm not going to trade this fucking shit company. What else are we looking at?
I was trying to find the news that came out, and I can't find it.
Watch ES here. You retested the wedge, and now you're popping.
Oh wow, MES hit an hourly pivot.
Hey, Brimcakes. I appreciate that. Got the Ripple coin. That's hilarious. Appreciate the Amazon Prime sub. Thank you. Appreciate you using your free sub on me.
Sub.
Welcome to the channel. What'd you say, Don?
Do I have an Amazon Prime sub to give you, or is
If
it
you
for
have
their Prime Day or
Amazon, yeah.
something? How do I do it?
Gotta link it to your Twitch account. And then you get a free sub, and then you can subscribe to me. I think somebody asked about DraftKings. Fabiano did, yeah. So DraftKings, I'm waiting for either the 15-minute cloud to break, which it currently is about to, or the or price to hit $40. $50-minute cloud is finally starting to be tested. We'll see how it reacts to this cloud. One-hour cloud on ES and NASDAQ being tested as well. Bitcoin's going again. AMD's starting to recover. It's not going to get above 82 by Friday, I don't think, though. This was my price trap that I had. We had to close it for a loss.
Sub to you, Deja.
Did you? It didn't show up.
Wait, what is this? USLT? Oh, really? That's not good.
The entire
just bought
board of
shares.
the board of directors are selling their shares. Hey, there.
Not like these.
The sub came in a dime. I appreciate it. That was the third time you subbed to me.
So this is bad, right?
Yeah, why are all of these guys selling their shares?
What are they? Yeah.
For what company?
PLTR.
I just became a bag holder.
This director sold 23 million shares.
I don't see anything about it on Twitter.
I don't know. USLT posted it though.
Dude, literally every, almost every board member. Look at their fucking.
That's bullish.
It's bullish.
Remember when Patrick O'Byrne sold all of his overstock shares at the literal bottom?
Dude, I'm surprised he didn't jump off a bridge, to be honest.
Yeah, he would have been worth a few $1 billion.
He literally sold like at the bottom, and it just fucking skyrocketed.
Patrick was so bad for the company. I'm so glad that he got out.
Yeah, but doesn't he have like a shit ton of Bitcoin? So
yeah, but dude, look at the overstock chart. Didn't he sell around like 15?
Yeah.
It went to 130.
Yeah.
Like that's.
Someone donated him a rope.
Even if I was worth $1 billion, I would literally think about that every day.
Man, ES looks strong.
Strong like bull.
Red good, green bad.
Take that NVIDIA trade.
Me? No.
Already up 80%.
80%?
Nah, I'm kidding. It's up like 2.
Bruh.
Dude, if that credit was up that much already,
I'd be so fucking sad.
I wish this chart showed how many shares they have left. Because if they took 10% of their shares and sold it, then whatever.
Yeah, Emiliano, I actually turned off my bot and I'm just holding a long right now on Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is chatting, there's no need to trade.
Oh shit! Okay, I found the news.
Lay it on us, time.
I had to search for the actual company name. So this is now a COVID play.
Oh really? Do tell more.
Yeah, why is it a COVID play?
Because they're gonna look at the link I posted.
Alright, I'm looking at my phone. Data mining company Adhere, helping the federal government set up a system that will track Typo. Track the manufacturer distribution of the COVID-19 vaccine. State and local health officials on efforts said.
Where's the typo?
I didn't see the comma. It's not a typo. $50-minute ES cloud is fully bullish.
I am up 24 cents on the day.
Nice.
Oh, now I'm minus $2.
Ah, rip.
Fuck.
Ramen it is.
Yeah, not even the ramen, dude. Just a little powder.
You can still have
I'll
the
save the
you can still
noodles.
have the ramen. You just have to eat the brick. You gotta sprinkle the seasoning on and eat it raw.
You know, I used to like smash like the brick inside the bag and then put the powder in and toss it. I used to eat it as like, I guess like I don't know, just like that, as like a snack.
It's a ghetto snack.
Life of a poor kid.
Dude, you see,
Damn, snow's 300.
dude, you see people walking on the streets doing that all the time. Fucking carrying a brick of ramen, eating it.
Wait, what? Really?
Yeah,
I've never
not
seen
anymore. I used to.
that. God damn, snow. It went up another fucking 3.5%.
I am so happy I closed that SPY butterfly because it would have been ripping my profit. Closed it for 150%. What's Starbucks at? Starbucks is actually coming back.
Hey, can you take a look at Apple?
It's still testing that neckline, I think. Yeah, it like look. So if I zoom in, look at this. Is that the neckline? Yeah. If I zoom in here, look at this test. It's beautiful. Literally almost to the tick.
Think about rolling up my calls.
What do you have?
I have the 120 for next Friday expiration. I might roll them further, obviously, to, I don't know, thinking December at this point. December 18th.
You have 120s.
Yeah.
What's it currently at? It's at
good. 116.
for this Friday, or sorry, next Friday?
No, next Friday.
Not too bad. I think if we get stimulus, you'll probably get that.
35 Delta.
Yeah, the deltas don't factor in fundamentals. But do you want to put money on Pelosi? I fucking sure as hell don't.
No. Fuck no. Fuck that. That's a bad bet.
Bremcakes, Neo is my biggest gainer of the year, so I love Neo. I took profit on Neo today. We're still holding a little bit of Neo exposure. LI, XPEV, I don't know about those ones. Lee Automotive, I think, is LI. We don't trade that one in our group. I haven't traded that. I don't know really anything about it. The only one that I know about is Neo. That's because we got a guy in here, Johnny. He's a Neo bull, and he posts a bunch of news and stuff on it. Yeah, Neo is a great trade. I think right now it's a little extended. That's why I took profit on my.
My shit with these.
Oh, there's Johnny. I was just talking about you.
There's our big special boy.
Hey, what's up, Johnny?
Some guy in my chat was asking about EVs for China, and I told him you were the guy.
Fucking crazy. God damn. In the same zone the whole day. The whole entire day. Like, this is the weakest earnings If tomorrow doesn't bust, I'm gonna be
Oh, Tesla, I know. I hear you. What a horrible earnings. It literally did nothing.
absolutely nothing. Like $20, like bro, like smaller stuff. Snap did that. Snap did
Probably,
that with his eye click.
probably the most volatile big name company on the stock market, and it did fucking nothing on earnings. If you took an at the money butterfly, holy shit, that thing is paying.
I think C's had
Either
one.
either people are just not, they're just selling right now just because of the debates, and they're just gonna wait until tomorrow to pick it up, or I don't know.
Yeah, Bremcakes, Neo, JP Morgan raised the price target to $40. I think Neo can get to like the 50 range by the end of next year. So I think investing in Neo is not a bad idea, but right now it's pretty extended. You would want to wait for some consolidation or maybe a pullback. But
What up?
it's definitely, I think it's definitely a good investment.
What it do, baby?
Let's go. Let's go, my baby right now. My baby Facebook is doing something finally.
I closed my sell side on Neo, Caesar. I'm not sure if you still have yours.
They
Yeah.
keep bringing up the subpoena news and stuff like that. Keeps nuking Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook, Twitter, all that. It's pretty sketch. Once the Senate calls them up.
They said that they agreed on it.
Still in Carvana, Calvin? Bottom ticked it? Nice. So Carvana's in a really sketchy spot because you're like nuking into earnings. You're trying to fill that gap. But it has a really nice reversal today.
So look at Netflix, man. It's not looking too bad.
Caesar, did you take an at the money butterfly on Tesla?
It's the one thing I didn't do,
Oh,
man.
dude.
Oh, I thought you did. Yeah.
That an at the money one's probably paying so big. Because that's what I said is take one at the money, one below price, and one above price.
All mine started at 440. It's the one thing I didn't do.
Yeah, dude, the
I
at the
had a
money
put
one.
and I had calls.
I wonder how much they're. Well, let's see. What if you try to take it right now? What's it going to cost you?
They all were 40 cents for a 10 wide butterfly. They were like 40, 50 cents.
Deja, I
Yeah,
haven't actually
you
watched
don't want to
chart in a
look at
while.
it now.
What is it?
It's like 350. If you sold the 430s with a $10 wide wing on each side, they're $350. And that's the one that you would have taken yesterday, right? Because that would have been at the money.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. So almost 1,000%. Disgusting. What'd you say, Dime?
I haven't watched you trade, like actually looked at your charts in a while.
Oh yeah.
How come your Momo doesn't have the line on it?
I have it on my other charts. I think it's on one of these. Yeah, right here. I just
Do you find
use it differently in certain charts. Like this chart, I would just be looking at short-term momentum, and then I use the shading as like the line. Because the shading will tell you where the line is. The only thing you miss out on like this is you don't see the pinches. But if you have the line, you can see the pinches. Yeah, I got a bunch of charts. This one's just dedicated to Ichimoku. This one's volume profile. This one's my heat maps. And this one is my like standard trading chart. And then I have my 1 minute charts on my ultra wide monitor. All my scanners.
How big is the ultra wide? 32.
34, I think.
Is it worth it?
Oh yeah,
Like, do you like
dude.
it?
If you if you have like charts that you never want to move or like scanners, it's perfect.
Have you used it for like playing any games though?
Nah,
No. Oh, okay.
it's
I
too
do.
big. Mine's too big. Give me a fucking prism.
What do you play on it, C's?
COD.
See, that would
Oh,
make
yeah,
sense because
okay.
you use it as like a TV basically. But like if I was playing like Dota or something, you try like edge scrolling on that thing.
Yeah, I'm sure. That should be no fun.
Oh, sorry, C's, I didn't hear what you said. Did you sell Neo, your sell side? Or do you still have it?
I just bought sell side.
Yeah, you get a better price now. If I would have held it till now, what's it going for right now? It's going for, I sold it at, or I bought it back at 34. So yeah, it's not too bad. It's at 30 right now. I was thinking about grabbing the 31s for November 6th, just rolling it. But I want to wait to see if we pump tomorrow. It looks like it wants to climb
Yeah.
here. If it pumps tomorrow to like back to the 28 range, I might sell the 31s. I don't want to be theta negative going into the weekend. So I'm going to even out the theta tomorrow. One hour ES looks really good. Sorry, that was my phone. Dropped my.
What a freaking disappointment on Tesla, man.
Yep.
Telling you, if tomorrow doesn't fucking rocket, man, I'd be pissed.
It's honestly, it's crazy. How much did they beat earnings by? Like, did they beat earnings by a lot?
It's not only the earnings, but like the
Yeah,
shit
the
that
numbers
like
were good, bro.
Tesla was going. I mean, like Elon was saying so much different shit in the earnings calls too. So it's like, bro, I don't get it. It's just been getting like a lot of bullish news, and like I don't know.
Their deliveries were good too. What is DraftKings finally bottoming? I had these 2 levels marked that I wanted to see DraftKings test, and we just barely didn't test them. Look at the 15-minute cloud, though. You're not out of it yet. Have not broken this cloud basically since the top.
Damn, look at that Shoryu.
That.
That Shoryuken? You don't know what a Shoryuken is? You Street Fighter, bro?
Are you talking about on Bob's thing?
Yeah.
They were talking about a stock.
Oh no. Dude's doing a Shoryu. Uppercut of destiny.
That's when you just crouch in the corner, and every time they get close, you just uppercut them.
Yeah.
That's-
Or if you get knocked down,
Yeah.
you could wake up Shoryu like a scumbag.
Yeah. That was the game with the chick in the blue outfit with the pigtails or like the little buns.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking that infamous scene where he has like no HP. Where the Ken fucking the Evo.
Yeah.
Anyone remember that? Yeah. Justin Wong versus Daigo. She was pie.
What's that girl's name?
Suddenly.
Yeah. Suddenly.
She got some thighs. Yes, Jelly, you play Third Strike? We gotta get some games in, man.
Dude, I loved Third Strike.
Bro.
My favorite fighting
Yeah.
games.
I still play it occasionally because the online Third Strike is pretty good now.
What do you play it on, like an emulator?
Fightcade. It's like it's basically
Is it a website or something?
you could. I think you could play it on the website, but I haven't down. I have 2 programs downloaded. You could play it on Steam too, but Steam's pretty bad.
Used to be good with. I played Dudley, Sean, and
Sean, you're such a troll.
dude, he is fun, and he does a lot of mix-up games, so I really
Yeah.
enjoyed.
I played Ken, Akuma, played Shoto.
Yeah, I liked Q, but I was never really good. with
Yeah,
him.
dude. Q's like he's an interesting one.
I was more into Tekken.
Put Tekken too, but I fucking
Tekken
suck at
is-
Tekken. Tekken's too advanced for me.
Man,
It's like sideways movement in that game is like can't do it.
Oh, you mean the 3-dimensional movement? Yeah.
Yeah, it's too it's too much for my brain. My brain cannot do.
Yeah, John, it's a good point. Tesla kind of priced in its earnings. It was running so hard for so long. Good point. What's VIX doing? VIX is getting murdered. Actually, not really. It's actually recovering a little bit. The daily cloud on VIX is hilarious. Super thick red. BJ, I'm selling premium on SPY. I'm bullish on it. We basically sold the low of the day. Oh god, I forgot about that lotto I didn't take. What do you guys think that lotto's at? Do we even want to know? Jesus.
hey,
It's almost,
we sold her up.
it's at 290 almost. I called it out at $1.20. I'm sad.
Took that spy premium we sold, and it's already up 36.
Oh, you took that
in
one that I took?
day. Yeah.
Yeah, dude, it's up a lot. In one day, too. Not even one day. We took it today. 0 days. Alright, who just subbed? Who did I miss? Hey, Keytoy, what's going on, man? 32 months. We haven't seen you in the Discord in a while, man. I know you're busy. I appreciate that sub, man. You're coming up on 3 years pretty soon.
Keytoid?
Yeah.
Oh, he's on your Twitch.
He's on Twitch. Almost 3-year sub. I think you have the longest sub right now. Because the only person that was close to you, I think, was Man. And then who else? One other person. I think it was Austin. I appreciate that, man. I hope you and your family are doing well. I know you were looking for some work because of COVID. Hopefully, you're able to find some gigs. Kito used to watch my streams back in the day, and his wife used to say that I cuss too much. Funny. That guy cusses a lot.
Silly American.
Yeah.
You know that was the conversation.
Oh yeah. That's all Kito had to say is, yeah, he's American. Don't worry about it.
Fucking wanker, dude. That's literally an insult they say to each other. It's hilarious. You're a fucking tosser. You're a wanker.
God, why didn't I take that lotto, man? I was just about to, but it always happens. If I'm about to take something and it starts running before I take it, I hate chasing it. If I see it run right before I click that buy button, I just can't do it. My brain like stops me from doing it.
Look, in hindsight, you wouldn't have gone filled anyways.
Yeah,
Right?
because
You were never gonna pay the ass.
I looked at it. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I looked at it at 120. By the time I was ready to click the button, it was at like 140, 150. And that's already like fucking 30%. Like I'm gonna chase it after 30%. But now it's up almost 200. What was that, Johnny?
Check out Snap is about to run. Last 10 minutes.
Oh shit! It's only 10 minutes left. The market's fucking.
Keytoy's laughing at your American accent, saying those slang
You don't like that shit?
slang insults. Snap's
Yeah,
got
I had someone call me that. I was like,
Snap's got a thick ass cloud. 15-minute.
Bollocks, mate. Bollocks.
Red or green?
Green cloud. Green cloud.
Right.
Really bullish. It's like an ascending triangle retesting the breakout point. Looks really good.
dude, all it took for DraftKings to go up was JMA to be in Vegas.
It's true.
You know?
Let the betting season start.
I actually want him to take some parlays for me for the weekend.
Why, did they give you better odds at Vegas?
It's just more fun to take him in Vegas. Not better odds.
True.
Like when you're in a group and you guys take like a fucking 6, 7, 8, or 18 parlay. GG.
Can you just like put as many teams as you want in the parlay?
Yeah. The odds keep getting better or worse, but payout gets better.
Yeah, but like, is the payout exponential? Like, what if I were to take these three teams one each at a time, and then I put those three teams
you gotta
together?
I mean, there's odds, right? Like if you pick all favorites.
No, but you see what I'm saying? So, if I bet on all three of these teams to win individually, and then I bet on all three of them to win and as a parlay, do they give me like much better odds with the parlay?
Yeah, of course, 100%. Because your individual bets.
I understand that it's better, but is it better to the point where?
Way better.
So it is better to the point where it's worth taking.
I mean, yeah, the payout wise, risk to reward, 100% better, but your risk is super high.
Yeah, because you need them all to hit. I've
taken an 8 team and I lost by 1.
Besides DraftKings, like fantasy, that shit, I've never made a sports bet in my life.
You need to hedge your parlays, basically, right? Like
take them individually or something.
Or like let's say you take like a 6 team and 4 of them hit, then like if the one team that you bet against might win, then you put money on them to win.
So like if you take a 3-team parlay, you want them all 3 to win, and then you take a hedge on like one of them. So if
like let's say 2 games already played, right?
Yeah.
And now you're going into the 3rd game. It's like the Packers versus Bears, and you pick the Packers, and it doesn't hurt to put like 50 or 100 on the Bears to hedge, right? Because even if you lose the 100, your parlay, if it hits, it's going to be fucking, way more depending on how much you put. So that's usually like how I used to do it in Vegas. Like if like most of my legs hit and I'm down to my last team, I would always hedge with the opposite team that I picked as a straight money line bet.
That makes sense.
Yeah, but fucking parlays are like, it's like throwing money in the trash. It's like taking earnings lottos, basically.
Yeah, Keytoy, I've been just selling premium basically since you left. I'm not doing all the risky stuff that we were doing back when you were in here. I've just been selling premium and it's been working out, man. We've been making a killing. All the easy trades, basically.
Oh no, AMD, not like this.
What's AMD doing?
It's going up and it nuked.
I wanted to nuke because I closed my fucking butterfly.
Oh man, let me check.
3-game parlay is probably 40 or 60 to 1. Jesus. Depends on your hit percentage, yeah, of course.
Down 72% on my AMD. Not bad.
Would you take that butterfly that I took?
No.
Oh.
The naked calls, dude, like a jackass. I hate money, man. What can I say?
Wanker.
Hey,
You're
don't call me a wanker,
dude.
you fucking tossers.
What is it, Ketoy? Taking a piss? Taking the piss? Tell somebody you're taking the piss when you're joking or something? You guys have some
Yeah.
weird ass slang, man. Taking the piss.
Oh yeah, getting drunk is yeah. They call it drinking beer and stuff piss.
No, I think when you're telling somebody you're joking, it's like, is that right, Ketoy? Say you're just taking the piss, or what's the say it in a sentence?
Use it in a sentence.
Yeah.
You fucking uphill gardener.
That slang?
All right, Mal. See, what you doing?
You banned or something?
That's keto.
Yeah. See, Ketoy told me yeah, I'm right. I've seen Peaky Blinders, man. I know enough about England's history.
That shit's on my watch list. Never.
Dude, it's
never
good,
played
man.
a
I
single
fucking
episode.
watched all. Well, I think there's 5 seasons. I watched all 5 in like a week or 2 weeks.
That good, eh?
That's really good, man.
Dude, I haven't been able to just like get into like watching anything. I don't know why.
Yeah, that was like I started watching The Man in the High Castle. That's pretty good. Yeah, markets are selling off a little bit here.
Oh, we got 3 minutes, boys and girl. Do we short snow? Did it top out at 300? Do we short this shit? Does it gap up tomorrow and murder faces?
I'm hoping this isn't a bear flag on Neo and then it just gaps down tomorrow morning.
It's following Tesla.
It is true. It is following Tesla. The only thing going up is the thing that everyone's been bitching about for the past week. Fucking DraftKings.
I love it, man.
Everything's going down and DraftKings is up 4%.
Please, DraftKings.
And I closed my goddamn position.
On
So I
DraftKings?
said,
We
Yeah.
call that a blood sacrifice.
Dude, honestly, thank you. It was you.
You did it, man.
You sacrificed it. Yeah. Your blood was worthy.
Man,
I know you don't
went,
like the way
I
you
went
feel.
deep
But
with Tesla, so I really don't care.
I know you don't like the way you feel right now, but we all appreciate you. I'm still underwater.
I had a lot of blood sacrifices like 2 months ago. Everything I fucking closed went up.
Man, I want to take a Netflix November call.
Is it holding that pivot?
Premium. Yeah. Hasn't lost it.
Did you take that pivot?
Nope. Still wait. I was gonna wait till end of day, but I have fucking 1 minute.
You just hate money.
I've
Just hate money.
been whacking it, basically doing nothing. Not literally, but like obviously.
Yeah.
Just doing nothing, just kicking it.
1 minute left, guys. Make sure your positions are buttoned up. I love how you guys are degenerate as hell. You guys are quiet all day. I start talking about sports gambling, and you guys start typing in voice chat.
Yeah, what the hell, man? Where were you guys
You
all
like
day?
that? Talk about sports betting. They're there. They said parlay what?
Vegas? You've been working all day? Bro, you're in prison.
All right, there's the bell, guys. There's the bell. Green or red on the day.
Fucking red
I
by
can't say what I want to
$100.
say until it's over. I don't want to jinx it.
I technically have to. Fuck, I got shit to do now. Back to real life.
About 50-50. Not bad. You guys got in any of that premium that we sold today, SPY or Qs? You're looking really good. This pullback's not really hurting us too much. We're still okay on that. What else did we do today? The Nvidia position still break even, so we're okay on that. Neo a little risky holding overnight because of the little bear flag that it's putting in, but we'll see how it opens tomorrow. Everything else looks pretty good. We took profit.
Intel's nuking.
Oh god, don't say that.
So it's down 5%. But I mean, the earnings even come out? Is it just toss pot?
My Januaries are gonna get wrecked.
It's down 5%, 4.91.
Yep. Tomorrow I'm capitulating on Intel and we're done. Taking it off the watch list.
Holy shit, dude. Oh my god,
We're
bro.
capitulating.
Oh, I have so many shares. This is not good. Not like this. Not like this.
What were we talking about?
Intel's down 8%.
Damn, why didn't we short it? We knew the earnings wasn't gonna be good.
I don't know. I kind of had a feeling, man.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know, man.
It's only been down the whole year.
You're not wrong. You're not wrong.
Hold on, maybe it'll reverse. Maybe it's just shaking out the weak hands.
Exactly.
AMD
8% reversal.
AMD, on the other hand, I feel like they're gonna be earning.
Should I sell my shares right now and fucking go negative? I'm still up 2%.
Sell them after hours.
I'm still up 2% on my. Oh, I'm only up 0.35. Getting wrecked. Oh, about to go negative. This is dog.
I shouldn't be laughing. I mean, if you sell your shares, man, it might be a blood sacrifice. My calls might do well tomorrow.
Dude, what the fuck, man? I went from like.
How is this big of a company having back-to-back fucking horrendous earnings?
You know what? I'm buying more. Fuck it.
I mean, it's the
Cut now, Johnny.
means the per.
What are you trying to say, man?
It's a broken ass signal. Something. This sucks. What can you say?
Intel, Mike.
Bro, Intel got fucking killed. This might.
Down 9.
You know what it is though. You know what it is.
It's raining.
This
and it kept going in and out.
This is the end of the correlation. Correlation is now over, right? So now SPY can freely go up when stimulus passes.
Say all this?
Exactly. There you go. There you go. That's the signal.
John, we're not going to say that. We're not going to say Intel's leading. I don't like that. I like what I said earlier.
Please fucking check it. Reverse it.
It's earnings, USLT.
I mean,
it beat earnings?
Oh, AMD's up 1%, 1.35.
Dude, Intel beat earnings and it beat revenue.
Market don't give a fuck.
Is that not the most Intel thing you've ever seen?
AMD up. AMD went negative. This is it's back positive, boys.
That is the most dude, it's down fucking 13%.
13%? I'm getting wrecked.
Oh my god.
Why are you laughing at me?
Dude, I'm laughing at myself. I'm holding January calls.
I'm 100 shares deep.
They're on my Webull account. It's literally the only thing I'm holding on my Webull account right now.
The only thing I got on my Webull is Tesla.
I think I'm literally just gonna hold it till expiration. Fuck it.
Yeah, dude. Fuck.
Who cares?
Wow.
Somebody tell Keithway it's earnings. He doesn't know. Maybe they said something stupid during their call like they did last time, where they said, "Oh, our chips won't be ready for the next year or so."
I literally got a notification on my phone that AMD's or Intel's getting wrecked. It's great.
It's like checking up on you. Are you okay, sir? You have a lot of shares of a stock that is down 13% after hours.
It's actually funny. Huh. Pitch ass notification, dude.
The only way to do it in trading, you gotta laugh through the pain, guys.
God, get that shit
Hey,
outta
Spartan, what do you
here.
say? He said the trading between the 9 SMA and 50 SMA is no man's land on the SPY. Everything's no man's land until the stimulus gets fucking passed or not.
It's entertainment time tonight.
Hey, AJ, I
Debate.
appreciate that, man. AJ, if you're new to trading, I don't know if you're still here, check out my How to Trade playlist on YouTube. Deja Brew Trading is my YouTube channel. I've got a massive playlist on there for educational content for trading. Check it out.
I need Tesla to go like nuts after hours, like do what it's supposed to do. You know what I mean?
I hear you.
Can we all power tweet to Elon for a refund? I'm an uphill gardener. That sounds like
Not
so
if
sketch.
it blows up in after hours, and then you asking yourself why you didn't buy more.
Think about it, Castro.
No, dude, I'm thinking about it. Doesn't sound nice, dude.
Have a good one, AJ.
What the fuck is the uphill gardener?
All right, before this conversation goes deeper, I'm going to call it on stream, guys. I appreciate you guys being here. You guys have a good rest of your night. I'll be streaming tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern. We will be streaming tomorrow afternoon, 3 p.m. Eastern as well. I'll post some levels in Discord, probably around 8, 9 o'clock tonight, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, you guys have a good one. It was a fun day. Made some money. All that matters.